Hello. Today, we will show you how to create a vessel in the Shipowner account on DealGo. First, log in to the Shipowner account. Ensure you have logged in to the Shipowner account. You can always view this account or the company profile, which in our example is called Shipowner. You can view the vessels that this account or company owns in the vessels list. To create a new vessel, there are two ways. The first is to create a full vessel by pressing the Create Vessel button. First, you need to enter the IMO and MMSI, which are the personal identifiers of the vessel. The system will check to verify if you are really the owner of this vessel and if the IMO or MMSI is valid. After the system performs the check, it will ask you to enter the necessary information to identify this vessel, such as the vessel's name, type, flag, DWT, class, and year of construction. You will also need to enter the contract information between you and the shipowner of this vessel. This step is necessary because Shipowner is not the company registered with the vessel, and the vessel is owned by another company. Therefore, it requests contract information for review by the support team. Note that if you register your account under the name of the company that actually owns this vessel, once you enter the IMO and MMSI, it will not ask for the contract information. Next, click the Next button to proceed. In this step, you will be asked to enter detailed information about the vessel, such as the description, weight, size, and other general information. These details are optional but can enrich your vessel's profile, which might encourage charterers to engage with you. Click the Next button to move to the hold step. In this step, you have the option not to add any holds. However, if you choose to add a hold, you must enter the relevant information. You can also define hatches within the hold and add multiple holds. I will enter or define a hold and a hatch to see how they appear in the vessel's information. After entering this information, click the Next button to move to the gears and crane step. This step is also optional. You can define the gears and cranes that your vessel has, specifying the type and location of each. Click the Next button to proceed to the consumption step. Here, you can add consumption values for your vessel, which help in calculating voyage consumption or for future use. This step is optional and can be defined later. Next, move to the final step, which is photos and certificates. Here, you must upload a mandatory photo of the vessel. You can also add optional attachments and select the IMDG codes for the vessel, along with any appendices. You can define the certificates your vessel holds by uploading the certificate files and specifying their expiry and issuance dates. Finally, click the Save button to save all the details for the vessel. You can also save it as a draft, which I will explain at the end of the video. After clicking the Save button, you will return to the Vessels list where you will find the newly created vessel. This method might be a bit lengthy, but there's a shorter way too. You can use the Quick Create Vessel feature from the blue button at the top, which opens a pop-up window asking for essential information about the vessel, starting with the IMO and MMSI. You can directly upload a photo of the vessel from here. After entering the IMO and MMSI and clicking the Proceed button to verify the information, the system will show the mandatory fields that need to be filled out. Fill out these fields as in our previous example. After filling out these fields, click the Save button to quickly create the vessel. You will find the newly created vessel in the Vessels list. Initially, you will have limited access rights to this vessel. You can only modify the information you entered or view the vessel's details. Full permissions will be granted after the support team verifies the contract information. You can review the information added for the first vessel, such as holds, gears, cranes, consumption, and certificates. I will request support to activate these vessels and grant full permissions as we are conducting a demo on a virtual site and not using real data. With full permissions granted, you can access the maintenance list, create new maintenance tasks, enter the crew list, add new crew members, and create open positions for the vessel. You can also create short-term offers for cargo circulation. To explain the draft process, let's try to create a new vessel and enter some random details. If you don't want to complete the process immediately, you can save it as a draft. Click Use to continue the vessel creation process with pre-filled information from the draft. Complete the remaining information and click Save to convert it into an actual vessel in your vessels list. Access the draft list by going to the Vessels menu and clicking on the Draft Lists button. Here, you will see a list of vessels saved as drafts. Thank you for watching.